Here is an updated video for our drain pipe plumbing for this house. And in it, I'm going to change the bathtub out to a shower. And I'm going to provide lateral connections for the fixtures. And I'm also going to suggest that this design here might work better than the previous design I provided you with, the one that I have a bathtub in. However, it would benefit you to watch both of these videos because I did find a building code and did a lot more research before making this video. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and suggest that the drain pipe plumbing should work with any building department that's going to be using the 2021 International Building Code Book as a general guide or reference for their plumbing. So let's go ahead and get started with a clean out at the back of the house. And the reason for this clean out here will be to provide us with an entrance point, just in case we need to run a plumbing snake drain cleaning tool, because we can run it through the entire drain line underneath the house from this point. So we need a clean out. The clean out needs to be the same size as the drain pipe. And in this example, we're using 3-inch pipe here for our drain line. However, your building codes might require a 4-inch minimum line. And if it was me, I would use a 4-inch line instead of a 3-inch line. However, if your local building codes allow it and cost is an issue, then I can understand why you're going to use a 3-inch drain line instead of a 4-inch one. And of course, our trap arm for the kitchen sink. This is an 1.5 inch fitting going above the clean out. You could always have the clean out a little higher. You could have it above the trap arm, located up here somewhere. And then we have a couple of 45-degree fittings. These could also be 22.5-degree fittings. And a better view of how you could run the snake line to clear out the pipe all the way down to here. You could go underneath the entire house and even use the one in the front if you need to. So here we have a front clean out that we could use if the drain line was plugged going to the sewer or to the septic tank. So let's go ahead and reorient ourselves here so that you get an idea of where we're at. So here we have the house. Here's the plumbing. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the washer. Now here's the problem that I had in the other video. I had this fitting turned up. However, most of the research that I've done suggests that the pipe needs to come out laterally, needs to come out horizontally. It cannot come vertically or straight up out of the pipe unless it's at the very end. So if we have this one here, we can turn it and go straight up instead of going to the side and then straight up. And again, I can't stress this enough. Definitely check with your local building department to verify the information in these videos. And I would imagine that will include all of the other videos on the internet. And while doing research on a variety of different things, structural framing, engineering, plumbing, you've got to keep in mind that some countries, some states, some provinces, and certain weather conditions, certain soil conditions can require modified versions of the building codes and create problems for this particular design.